Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today is the second day and it's 6:30 in the morning and we have to leave the hotels and camp about 8:30 and the ship is about something 11 o'clock, so it's not far away, it's 10 minutes from here. So I just wake up a little bit early, so now I'm getting ready to put things on the bike, and then we can see if I can go to the campsite, because this is hotel and on the back side, this other side of the street is a camping site and it's very beautiful there. And the two guys from one is from UAE and another is from Oman, Mr. Weil and Mr. John. So we have to go together and start the trip to Iceland. So 10 minutes away is boat, and then we take the boat. The boat will be today and tomorrow and the next day. About 10 o'clock will be arrived at the pier in Iceland. So join me and let's do it together. What is Philip one?
To the back? Yeah.
I bought it then, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Trenger ik.
Dat is goed.
Tack ska du ha. Det är hyggligt. No. Jag är från Norge. Jag är från Latvia. Ja.
To Iceland.
Yeah, also.
Yeah.
We have two other friends in the camp. We're together three to Iceland.
Super. First time.
It's good for Iceland
How was it?
touring.
I don't know.
He's from Latvia, and also these two guys are from Italy. One is woman, one is man, woman, yeah, married couple, yeah. They have been in North Cape also, I think, so you see them. And one scooter, one big, and two other Oxford presenting on the top. So it's very early, so I took some water.
هاي النازلة اللو عشان كذي بطيح.
He is putting my logo on his
Hair for you logo.
down. Yes. The Great Shinwari. Logo here. I make myself in
Change.
A few moments later.
Guy is getting out on Faroe Island. That's why they are going first. And, I'm finished, so only this one and this one. I have to take things, you know, little bit. Food. This one. Because we don't know. I take this bread for you. Yeah? My wife told me because maybe we buy it and then I say maybe we can eat, maybe we cannot eat. Yes. Now we are a little bit finished officially.
الطابق الخامس.
We have
وابن السابع.
5, yeah? No. 5017. 50. Yeah. 5. You have to 7.
وين هذا؟
اطلع حبيبي.
فوق. ما شفت ترولي؟
كم أنا؟ السابع كم؟
7
1127.
You are on the 8. 7.
7?
Yeah. 7 we are in 5, yeah?
121. هاي من 7000 إلى 7512.
You are close to upside. You will enjoy. يلا خير.
50 17 517.
Oh shit.
هذا Iceland.
All the way go up.
زين تمام.
زين الوصيل الرابع.
This is our cabin.
Where's the key?
So put it here, the key. My keys inside. Take this inside, I can go to reception. I put it on the...
Ticket, another card? Or the ticket? Take the ticket.
Now I have to go to the reception. If I can find the key. 5018. Reception.
Tak, ja bym chciała nie
Madam, I forget the key inside.
You got the key inside? Yeah, you have to wait in line.
You are waiting to hear? Yes. Who is the last?
Don't know.
Who is the last? You? Here is the ship map on the screen. We are here, and here is the Norway, Bergen, and now we are close to Faroe Island, so it will take the whole day and then to Iceland. Some information about hiking in Faroe Islands, and there is a restaurant, Ziauddin cafeteria. Mr. John is drinking coffee in the morning. I'm not. Me? Yeah, same. Here is the top deck. Welcome to Faroe Island.